for lunch day, we are going to be making kimchi grilled cheese. So I kind of thought of it off the top of my mind because Chino's parents dropped off this Japanese bread, which is one of Chino's favorite bread. So let's give this a try and see how it's gonna taste. Cut up some green onions to begin with. Cutting a lot because I'm also gonna make a TikTok out of this too. And we also have some kimchi that I'm gonna cut up very thinly. Now on to the butter part. I'm gonna get like about a tablespoon per sandwich. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna soften this up and add a little bit of kimchi juice. We'll just say a tablespoon of kimchi juice. Mayo, add some green onion. Mix it all up. Make sure it's on every surface. Each of this face. Okay, 잠깐만. Whoops. I burnt it. Oopsies. So this is my super burnt grilled cheese. Mmm. You know, it's actually pretty good. Mmm. Oh my god, that's a good show. This is literally now as I'm editing. Wow! I cannot.
Eyes on the referee.
Yeah!
Thank you, God. You answered my prayers last night.
Wow!
But it could change. Let's take you to Ghana.
Wow!
Between South Korea and Portugal. It's just surprising everyone.
Oh my god!
Surprising Uruguay here.
Not AB. I think he's gonna step out. PR packaging. It's called Dirty Labs. Oh, cool! Wow. Oh, it smells so good. There's like a little bit. So fresh. So good.
Dirty Labs reached out to us to gift us with their ultra concentrated 2-in-1 dishwasher detergent. This product is bio-based and biodegradable. It's cruelty-free and vegan with no sulfates, dyes, or parabens. Packaging and formula are BPA-free and it has a brilliant spot-free finish. Honestly, the best part was the smell. I really want a perfume of this scent. I could shower in it. It smells so good. So I have a tip for you guys with running your dishwasher. Run it at night. The electricity bill is the lowest later at night when no one is really using it because they're sleeping. Now with that tip and Dirty Labs dishwasher detergent, you're saving money and getting your dishes spot-free clean with the non-toxic formula.
Look at the shape. Yeah, I guess it is.
Should we take her off? We can all go. Okay.
Change your diaper.
Grace's. So I'm filming this on my phone right now, and Grace is nice enough to drive up here to drop off my camera so that I can film the rest of my day. So I'm gonna wait on her that I can take you guys to run some errands with me.
She's here, and Grace actually wants to come with.
This is right?
Yeah.
It looks like chocolate.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the trees, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can see them on their sleigh ride across the sky.
So if you guys want to know more on how I did this, make sure to check out our shorts.
And now it doesn't matter if it's not fully cooked for me. 많이 먹어. 내가 좀 그때면 되니까 조금 먹어.
그냥 혹시 여기 다 그냥
I didn't eat this part of my yogurt. Do you want it?